Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to log in to Banco BPM Online Banking. Start by opening your web browser and going to the official Banco BPM website. Once the homepage loads, look for the section called Reserved Areas. This is usually located at the top right part of the page. Click on it to continue. After that, you will see different options. Find the section labeled UWeb and click on the button that says Accedi. This will take you to the login page. On the login screen, you need to enter your identification code and your password. Carefully type in your details, making sure there are no mistakes. Once entered, follow the verification steps on the screen to complete the sign-in process. If this is your first time logging in, click on the button that says Instructions for First Access. Read the information carefully before proceeding. Your identification code is a 7-digit number linked only to you. If you opened your account online, you can find this code in the confirmation email you received. If you opened your account at a branch, the code is in the documents given to you by your account manager. Your first login password is an alphanumeric code with at least 8 characters. If your account was opened in a branch, this password was given in 2 parts. One part is on the code sheet, and the other part was sent to your certified mobile number by SMS. If you opened your account online, the password is the one you created for your digital identity. The first time you log in, you will be asked to change and personalize your password. After completing these steps, you will have access to your online banking. Thanks for watching.